Yeah, the green pickle.
Ollie found it.
Ollie found the pickle. Yay! Ollie gets to open the first present.
Alright, Ollie gets the first present. Find an Ollie present.
Oliver? No, that's it. It was a green town.
No, it was the pickle.
That's it. You found it.
You found the pickle.
Open your present.
No, I wish.
Does that say Oliver on it?
Software witch.
Does that say it? Yeah, that's Oliver. He gets to open the first present. We just don't know whose it is. Whoa! One long continuous